This is all step one of the exhaust that came out right now. This is all the I'm not gonna touch that, fuck that. But the welder, the fabricator, is always Andy here. So you can see his channel, he has some stuff. He has a, oh, where's the Mustang? There it is. Yeah, you can follow him and check it and then see the rest of the video for how all this is gonna come out for part one, and then part two is gonna be later. Look at that. Oh, it's perfect. Cliff, you're so beautiful. Come on, come on. Where is it? Is he here or home? What are you doing? Yeah. Insert the little, oh wait, why'd you stop? He stopped for the recording, he stopped for the view. He stopped the pose. Bro, let's go. I got some food for you. You want In-N-Out? Come on. Yeah, you want some In-N-Out? Nah, this boy gonna struggle. Come on, let's go. Get it, get it. Come on, over here, come on. You can do it. Let's go. I believe in you. Yeah. There you go. I know it's hot. A little hot right now, but you're okay. You good? Let me see you smile. There it is. We got messed up seats, but we got stainless steel exhaust. Do some freaking. Oh, the come up. We got a box cutter.
From who?
From the kid I bought it from.
Hey man, I'm missing my
Hey bro.
Hey, I got blades for this one. This one. The little triangle.
Well, it's half yours, half mine.
Alright.
Bro, why is the minority always gotta steal stuff, bro?
Hey, man, let's just stick this up into the paper.
That's Garrett, dude. Dude, we got clamps for days, dude. Oh my god. I'm just making exhaust out of clamps.
And that's on the game.
See, then we could just go right here and then make it just pop out just like that. Right?
Yeah, make it slide out.
Oh, be careful.
Oh, fell.
Oh my.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. You want another blade?
No, let's try. Let's try. Let's try.
Oh, I think crooked.
Is it? Let's try that.
Oh, we got thick metal, medium metal, and then we got thin metal. Okay. So 14 TPI right there. General purpose? You want? Okay. Alright, do blade. Oh, I'm gonna move out the blade. I'll let you know when it passes through so I don't cut your finger off.
What's that big hit?
What'd you hit? Oh, bro.
We're just bending that bitch back. No, it's not gonna go.
What did you do?
That's just the blade. That's just in a back. Saw the blade.
Alright, we're on blade number 7. Let me see the tip, bro. Let me see. Oh, okay. That's it. The boy thought he saw life before he saw it. You want me to say it right now?
I'm gonna go, bro.
Check engine lights on. There it goes. Dang. The only Tahoe in the world that has pie cuts from its original exhaust tubing.
Same material.
Yeah.
Charging labor and lunch, so lunch and consumables. Like if we destroy this bandsaw blade and I need another blade, that I guess Luke's gonna buy us a blade. I'm probably gonna need another spool of MIG wire for the welder. He already paid for that. Lunch, obviously.
That was nice.
I'll play your hand right. At any point in time we want, we can do this and start coming back the other direction. So how high up is that?
One day we'll do 5-inch down pie cuts.
Yes, I'm down. I'm 100% down.
This
The
is
hard part is welding all the way around that exhausting. It takes forever.
This is like barely 2 inches.
Yeah, barely.
Yeah.
I think it's actually right at 2 inches.
Yeah.
It's just
Inner diameter is like 1 in like
less.
30 seconds. No, wait.
Probably more than that. Probably 1 in 15, 16.
There. That's what I was looking for. That's what I was looking for.
I'm not good at math.
Neither am I.
I like tubing as well. That was pretty straight.
Oh yeah.
We could probably rotate this one a hair, and that'll push this one just a hair straighter. But I want to put a straight piece on here to see how much of an angle it's actually
Do that
at.
again. Do that again.
I don't know what I did. Oh yeah, we could probably rotate this one a hair, which will make this one straight. And then nice and straight.
I don't know what I did. I'm gonna just do everything over again.
What am I, Zach? You're married? You're making a fucking porno?
Oh, I got the stand, dude. Why you got the dad stance right now?
Cause I'm a dad. Yeah, it's a dad, bro. That's why.
Because I'm
a dad stand. Smothered pork chops.
Smothered pork chops.
The guy said smothered pork chops.
You want to smother my meat, bro? He's not just saying let's smother my meat. Bring your meat and
Smothered
everything,
pork
man.
chops.
You're the one talking about meat pockets all the
You
time.
bring my meat and everything, bro. Hey, where'd I get them from?
AutoZone.
Fucking store, buddy.
Oh, O'Reilly's. There was like $3. They're $3 each,
That's not bad.
or $5 each, whatever.
Like 4?
No, just 2. It goes 2 to 2.5, and then 2.5 to 3.
Dang, y'all are legit.
This is the nicest way I think to do this. The cheapest way to do it possible. You can't do this any cheaper and still be as nice.
I agree. We're using trash exhaust tubing. We're just cleaning it up.
Yeah.
Legitness.
So I'm just looking at the gap between here and here,
Right.
trying to like kind of eyeball it because we're gonna hack this off probably like right about here somewhere. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Oh man. Hey, round 2, boy.
Round 2.
Do that. I'm gonna like absolute dog shit.
I'm gonna use this one.
Here for you, Jay.
Look at that. Oh.
Damn, look how hot that blade got.
Yeah.
That was my fault earlier. Actually, I had the weight of the tool on it, and it would just fucking burn that blade up pretty fast. I wasn't pushing. I swear. I just,
What are you doing? What bending it with die? Bro, I got that on camera, bro.
Crooked.
You're cooking, dude. Oh man. Oh, dang.
Shit, y'all want to pull a gun. What do you want to do, bro?
Come on in here, buddy. I can turn this or move this or whatever you want. Just on this line somehow, all the way around. And this one's got a bit of a fat lip on it. Maybe we can just try and cut it just a little bit
We know about those fat lips, huh, Jay?
better than that. That's it. You want me to put this on this side so you can fucking I can blind with like
Yeah, that's fine.
wherever you want, buddy.
Don't shoot, bro. Shit.
Yeah. Oh my
I'm not
God.
gonna cut right there. I need some glasses. See you slice that meat, bro.
Yeah, slash that me, dude.
Fucking grab
Just like
that-
PJ said, dude. It's just like all the cats. Like
Grab that fucking pipe, bro. Just like salami. You gotta hold the pipe, bro.
just like when you cut the cats off all these cars. Oh man, what?
Where's the fucking extension, bro?
I think I left it on the table or something. Maybe on Loopy's box.
Oh, so now we can rotate it to the actual. Hey, can we get your measuring tape, PJ?
Fuck that, bro. Literally no measuring tape.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll just wing.
Leave it go.
Oh, here's a straight piece, right?
Oh, found it.
All right, so this side looks higher.
Oh, how's that?
Oh my god.
Measuring tape. Oh.
Ah, you motherfucker.
You motherfucker.
I felt something small in my ass. I felt.
In my ass.
A little bit. So we need to cut some of like this part off of it.
Right
here. Like this. You see how it's still heading this direction?
It's due east. It's due east.
Why don't we
This
add
is
one of
this.
those 9-degree ones up there?
I agree.
And
I
just
had
put-
one. I just don't know where I
Down
put
here,
it at.
right?
This one close.
Adapter on adapter on adapter.
Thanks, buddy. All right, now go in the back and tell me what you see, Loopy.
Let's see right
Tell me
here.
what you see.
And then we're gonna be right here, just like that. All right, right there, you're like almost dead even.
As I can without destroying all of our tape. And then once everything's somewhat tacked and not about to literally fall the fudge off, then we'll go ahead and make our move.
Dang, so that, and boom. 2, 2.5, 3. It's gonna work.
Of course it's gonna,
It's gonna
I'm a
work.
fucking monster. Of course it's gonna work.
It's gonna sound average, but it's gonna work. Oh yeah, let me
It's
get that.
tiny, but that'll work.
Oh, hold on, let me get that focus, son. Jesus, there it is. Yeah, sound that little baby motherfucker on. Okay.
Yeah, boy. You gotta use profanity, bro.
So now you got that motherfucker tacked on there. Then you're gonna tack that on there
Yeah, sure.
and get it about even. The heat kind of moved everything around. Oh yeah, that's about there. The skinny side up top, right? Yeah.
Like that. That was our gap before.
Oh, so satisfying.
We'll put a tack on the top and a tack on the bottom.
Get Jay-Sean to hold it, and then you'll tack it.
Correct, yes. Alright, my mask is fucking, there it is. The fuck, I can't see. It's too much light or something.
Oh, you want to turn this off?
Come on, bitch. I think I'm well. I'm just fucking winging, I'm pretty good at this.
Dang, dude. Ooh, I'm gonna look away.
I would. Big. I put one down on the bottom. Alright, turn that fucking flashlight. Maybe that's fucking.
Hey, go do that oil change.
Hello?
Alright,
I'm ready.
set.
Oh, sounds so. All right. Damn. Oh, dang! Look at that.
Damn, son.
That's
Where'd
way.
you find this?
That's way better. Oh, okay. Hold on.
I think we should go ahead and tack this one on here. That'll get this one nice and straight.
Damn, son.
Damn, son.
Where'd you find this?
Correct.
Oh, man, that looks really good. And the offset doesn't matter because we'll have the other stuff. So, are you gonna tack that one on now?
I think we should.
Or you gonna-
Yes. Let's tack this one on because we think that's good, right?
Oh, that's 100%.
And then what we'll do
good.
is this one. We really need it to be right here, right?
Right.
So let's chuck this up in the fucking bandsaw and cut this off. All this extra. Just hack that off.
Right.
We don't need that, right? Because we need it right there, right?
Nah, we don't need the extra 2 inches.
Let's fucking cut all that off.
Yeah. There we go. That's with the 3-inch adapters on. That's pretty, like, dead nuts. That's pretty dead nuts even, dude. Oh, that was a big spark on the ground.
Yeah, it came down and hit me right in the hand. Look. Bing. I was like, ugh.
Oh.
Off you. Perfect. And then let's tack the other one in place real quick as well.
Oh, so you switch it just to be sure.
Yeah, make sure
To
I
keep,
agree.
because technically you could keep it on the same one, but
Mhm.
to be 100%,
I want to be 100%.
you want to. Okay. Yeah, I don't know shit about welding.
It's good grounds. Good grounds, good continuity, you know. Path of least resistance is the closest there. So this might be kind of hot.
Oh, got my knuckle a little bit.
My shirt. Oh, another hole in
Oh,
my shirt.
problem.
Damn. All right, I'm gonna put a tack on this side. All right, one more.
Whoo, look at that. Bah. There. Then that. Then those. Then boom. Out the side. There. Then something like that. We're gonna make it look nice. Boom.